Hello everyone and welcome to the blockchain. Today in this new video I'm going to show you exactly how you are going to use the Bybit copy trading platform, and as an example I'm going to put all of the funds that I have right now in Bybit into these copy trade strategies. But first things first, what is copy trading? Well, the name already explains it, but you basically copy trades of other traders, and if you do this in this specific way, you really limit your risks and you might be even more profitable than if you would be trading on your own. It's like investing into other traders. You give your money to these traders, they will trade for you, and in exchange they will receive a small fee for the profits that they make for you. Now let's have a talk about the reasons of why you should copy another man's trade, why you should copy other traders, and which strategy can you have as someone that is copying others to minimize your risk. And guys, I'm going to give a very simple answer to the question, and that is diversification. That is very important as an investor, to have your portfolio diversified. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. So if you, let's say, have $1,000 you would like to invest into this copy trading platform and copying other traders, you can copy, for example, 5 different traders with $200 tether. In that case, you minimize the risk. If one trader makes a big mistake and loses the funds, you still got the other traders who might make better decisions, have some profit, and could make up for the losses that you get with that trader that might make a mistake, if that happens. So by diversifying your funds into different strategies, you are spreading out the risk, which gives you a greater possibility of being profitable. Number 2 is the learning opportunity. If you copy someone else's trades, you can actually see those trades, and therefore you can study the behavior of that trader and learn from his trades. The third reason might be the most important, as time is money. If you are an active trader, as you might know, it will take a tremendous amount of time to analyze all these charts, to balance your emotional stability, to enter a trade, to exit a trade. It brings a lot of headaches. Therefore, using the copy trading module on Bybit, it can save you a tremendous amount of time while still getting exposure to a passive income. And the fourth reason is accessibility. There hasn't been a better time than right now, where it is more easy, where you can just create an account, deposit funds, look through strategies, and copy other traders. You don't need to be a trading pro or have to have a lot of knowledge if you want to start with copy trading. You can just create an account, deposit funds, pick a strategy, and copy those traders. So guys, how to get started? Well, first you need a Bybit account, and for that you can scroll below this video. I have an affiliate link down below in the description and in the pinned comment. If you join Bybit with that specific affiliate link, you can also get a deposit bonus up to $30,000, but you can also join the private Telegram channel of WhaleAlerts, where you will receive extra information on the cryptocurrency markets. Now let's throw all our funds at these copy traders. Once you've created an account, you need to deposit funds into your account. So for that, you click right here on deposit, and then you select the US dollar tether option, as that is the currency that we are using for the copy trading function. Once you deposit the US dollar tether, you gotta transfer them to your funding account. So you click right here on transfer, go to spot to funding, click on all, confirm, and now we can see that that money is being transferred to our funding account right here. Now we have our capital ready to deploy, so let's have a look at the copy traders on Bybit. And like I've said earlier in today's video, we want to minimize our risk. That's why we are going to diversify our capital into different strategies. When picking a copy trader, I'm mainly looking at these 3 things. First of all, it is the ROI, which means return on investment. You can see the 7-day return on investment and the 90-day return on investment. This can tell you whether this trader is profitable in the short term time frame, but whether this trader is also profitable in the longer term time frame over the past 90 days. Then we're having a look at the drawdown, because this means what is the biggest loss that this trader had in the past 30 days. If this number is too high, you know this trader is taking some risks, right? Otherwise this number wouldn't be that high. So if the drawdown is quite low, you know you're following a low risk profile trader. Then the third metric is the AUM. That is the assets under management. And of course, the higher the number, the more capital is being trusted to this trader. Normally that gives me a little bit more confidence, but actually it doesn't tell much, because of course there will always be good traders which actually have maybe less assets under management. Now let's invest into some strategies. We are going to use all of our Bybit funds to deploy in these copy trading strategies. To open the copy trading section on Bybit, you click right here on tools and then on copy trading, which will bring you to the following page where you can basically find the different types of copy traders. And like I said before, guys, I'm mainly looking at the ROI of 7 days, the ROI of 90 days, which shows us the short-term profitability and the long-term profitability. And I'm also looking at the drawdown of the past 30 days. You don't want to have this number too high. That would mean that this trader is taking a lot of risk, but I would say 13% is definitely within the frame of our risk management and the assets under management. Of course, the higher the better, but in the end I would say this is not the most important metric. So let's copy some traders, guys. Let's just start with the first one, number 1. Let's copy this one, and then here you can set the amount you want to invest. Well, we are going to invest $200 Tether. Here we can see some details again, the amount of followers, the assets under management, the max drawdown, and the amount of profit that will be shared with this trader. So 10% will be shared with this trader. That's completely fine because he's doing all the work, right? So let's copy this one right here. Then let's take the next one, guys. This is stocks and cryptos. 7 days of 12%, 90 days of 47%, not so high drawdown, very much assets under management. I like this. Let's do this one the same. Let's do $200 Tether. Copy this one too. Then the third one is already full, as you can see right here. This one has 1,000 followers. Then let's scroll down and have a look at the other strategies right here. Traders with the highest profit for followers. Let's have a look if we have something interesting right there. This one looks quite interesting. 30 days ROI of 6%, but max drawdown is 1.6%. That's actually very, very low. So we can check if we can copy this one, and we can. So here we also would put $200 Tether in and copy this one too. Then let's pick the last one, guys. Let's have a look what we all have right here. We got Wealth Group. Sounds quite good. 10% in 1 month. 90 days, it's roughly 20%. It's not so high risk as it looks right here, but yeah, why not? Let's just go into this one as well, and let's make here the let's put the whole amount right here. So guys, if you want, you can also set a copy stop loss, and here you have to fill in the total amount of money that you actually are willing to lose with this investment. So what you can do right here is you can set, for example, $100 Tether, which means that if this trader loses $100 Tether, you will be automatically stepping out of this trading strategy, and you will be left with $133 Tether, as that is the remaining. But I don't want to do this. Let's just give some trust to this trader and yeah, copy this one as well. Then we can see on top here at my copy trading our total assets, which are $833 Tether. If we click on that, we can basically see what is happening with our copy trading account. So guys, right now we can see that we have already a unrealized profit of roughly 50 cents in our copy trading dashboard. And the interesting thing right here, guys, is that you can actually see everything that the trader is doing. So you can look at your positions, as you can see right here. You can see which trader opened that position, what is the entry price, what is the market price, what is the liquidation price, how much are you in the profit or loss. You can even see some more details right here. And if you don't like that trade, or if you like to close it, you can also just close that trade right here directly in the dashboard. So I would say, even though you are copying another person's trades, you actually have still a lot of power yourself over what is happening with your account. We can also see that right here, only this account actually yet opened a trade, and that was a short position. The other accounts have not yet opened any positions. So guys, this is really straightforward and you remain in control. And if you would like to become a trader yourself, which other people can copy, that is of course possible. You can apply as a trader and then you will earn 10% of the profits that you make from your followers. here are a few tips that can help you to make the most out of the Bybit copy trading platform. The first one is research, guys. Don't pick any random traders. Do a little bit research. Try to really understand which trader you are following. Of course, the second one is risk management. While copying other people, you can still manage your own risk by closing positions or setting a stop loss or diversifying your assets into different strategies. 3. Regular review the people that you are following if things are still going okay. And the fourth one, guys, is stay informed on the cryptocurrency markets. Although copying other people's traders can save you a tremendous amount of time, you might not want to copy at moments where you know there is a crazy amount of volatility going on in the markets. For example, when there are big announcements or something. But yeah, guys, I think the copy trading platform on Bybit, I think it is really well done. And I think it's also very beautiful that you as a copier can still get that much power over what is happening. You can see everything that happens. You can see all the positions. You can close them from your side. And the amount that you actually have to pay the trader that you are copying, which is 10%, I don't think it's actually that much, because this guy or girl is doing all the work for you. But I'm also advocating, guys, that it is very important that you are able to trust on yourself and that you can make your own decisions. So I would never put my whole portfolio into someone else's hands. But just to play around with this, I think it's actually quite nice. And the way that Bybit developed this program or this functionality, they did a very, very good job. So guys, if you want to try this out on Bybit, make sure to join with my affiliate link down below this video. If you join with that specific affiliate link, you can get a deposit bonus of up to $30,000 US, which is the biggest deposit bonus we've ever seen on Bybit or any other exchange in the crypto space so far. And of course, if you join with the specific affiliate link down below, you are also able to join WhaleAlerts, which is the private Telegram channel where you will receive extra information on the cryptocurrency markets. If you found this video helpful, if you learned anything in any way, make sure to leave the thumbs up button, guys. If you want to stay connected with me, make sure to subscribe down below. Very much appreciated. I want to wish every single one of you safe trading on Bybit, and I hope to see every single one of you in the next video.